I'm going to write here SAP and implementation transport request number sheet and number sheet. So when you go to the client place, you need to discuss to the client how many holidays you have. Sahil Corporation, maybe 2019, maybe 5 holidays. Next year, 6 holidays.Maybe year change. Company to company, different holidays. Only all the countries, Canada, Australia, US, India, anywhere in the world, normally IT working culture Monday to Friday, correct?
Yep.
But in one country is there, Middle East countries, that holidays is different. Middle East countries working days is different. They start the office working day Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday total country holiday. Saturday IT holiday. Saturday, Sunday. Friday and Saturday holiday. Sunday they have office.
In UAE, right?
UAE,
Yeah.
all the Middle East countries, maybe 6 to 7 places is there. Saudi, Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait,
Abu Dhabi.
Muscat, Abu Dhabi, 7 to 8 places is there. Why we are telling especially these things means, suppose maybe you're in US, we have the project in U. Reason is first developed country in the SAP US, second demandable countries in the SAP Middle East countries because all oil industries SAP oil industries, total SAP projects, HP, IBM, Wipro, all companies implemented very demandable SAP because that too the people are going to the Middle East countries tax free. Suppose your salary per month $6,000 totally you will get. There is no TDS.
Mhm.
Totally tax free. Totally tax free. So very demandable. First US, second is Middle East, third is Canada, fourth is Australia, fourth is UK, fifth is Australia. This is the five countries, only major countries, and sixth place Singapore. Singapore, very demandable. So Middle East countries working days different, other countries working days different. That is called factory calendar. Suppose anybody asks what is your factory calendar means Monday to Friday. In Middle East countries, Sunday to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, holiday. Okay, how to create the calendar? First, you need to discuss to the client how many holidays you have. Maybe client will provide maybe 5 to 6 holidays. Okay, fine. Note down requirement gathering time. First, how to insert it to the SAP system in the factory calendar. So the path is entirely different. Here, SAP NetWeaver, general setting, general settings. See here, maintain calendar. See my screen, maintain calendar. Maintain calendar. I write here three parts. Maintain calendar. Maintain calendar. Three parts. What is the part is? Public holidays, holiday calendar, factory calendar. Public holidays. Second one, holiday calendar, holiday calendar. And third one is factory calendar, factory calendar, factory calendar. This is the three parts. Anybody ask interviewer, how many maintain calendar, how many types?
Three
Three.
types.
Public holidays, holiday calendar, factory calendar. Now, public holidays, here go to change button. Change button. This screen will come. Then go to new and create button. This screen will come with fixed day from date. Select day and date. Create again, create button. this screen will come. Maybe you created Monday or Tuesday, whatever the day, Monday, here 01. Month, default normally 30 days in a month. See here, what is the month here? Maybe this month, November, October. Maybe here day means here, first day, 31 days. Normally 30, 31, 28. Parallelly, totally we will take 31 days. See a religion. Maybe I'm going to select for suppose religion, Christian. Okay. Short name here in this place, Shahil, SHA dash, maybe Christmas holiday. Sahil SHA underscore Christmas. Then see here, create button. Enter. Public holiday was entered. Where is the transport request number, Sahil?
Hmm?
Where is the transport request number? First point, when you configure any SPRO transport request number, save generated, correct?
Yeah.
But here not generated. What is the problem? Very keep in mind as a consultant, calendar creation, there is no transport request number. First point.
Oh.
This is the standard in the old SAP. You are going to any client next 10 years, 15 years. Calendar creation, second point also there. Number ranges creation also, there is no transport request number. FI or MM or any module, number ranges creation. Reason is, I will tell you. Public holiday was entered. We need to do 3 servers. What is the 3 servers?
Development, quality, and production.
You need to do 3 times configuration, 3 times. Public holiday, again you need to do quality, again you need to do production. Got my point? Reason, there is no transport request number. Without transport request number, when you transfer to here to quality, your configuration is not move forward, correct?
Also,
Viva, when you mention that in public holidays 0, 1 and 10. So what do you mean by Monday? That Monday is a working day or it's a holiday? It's a public holiday.
Monday is working day.
Monday is a working day. So,
No,
so
no. Okay, that is okay. First, we need to do 3 servers. Point, understand?
yeah.
Why? Why? I'm asking to you. User will ask you why.
because there is no this one transport request number.
Okay, fine. Second point, there is no TRN. Why you do the 3 servers? Because when you maintain to the development configuration transport request number, move to development to quality. Suppose here calendar creation, there is no TRN means your configuration is not move forward to development to quality server. Correct?
Right.
That is the reason we need to do 3 servers. Why here we are giving this thing means who will knows? Sahil Corporation 2019 6 holidays. Next year 7 holidays. 2021 maybe 5 holidays. Correct? Mr. Sahil.
Hello.
Mr. Rahil.
Yes.
My suggestion is you can log out and again log in. Same link. Sahil.
No, I don't know what happened. There is something problem with my laptop, I believe.
Not laptop. You can close other applications. Only go to meeting any
Yeah,
make other
I
application.
already closed everything. I already closed everything.
Okay, fine, perfect. So now you can understand 3 servers why you are maintained. This year maybe 5 holidays, next year maybe 10 holidays, maybe 2021 maybe 4 holidays. Who will know? Correct?
Yeah.
Holidays is not a fixed year to year change, company to company change. That is the reason SAP is provided like that. There is no TRN. We need to do quality. When we'll do the quality, Vera, when you transport request number move to development to quality, then we can do the configuration of the quality. When your testing is completed, transport request number move to quality to production, again we need to do the production server. There is no TRN. Okay,
So
clear?
Veera, the way you created over here, we have to create in the same way in the quality server, or it's a
Yes,
different path for that?
yes, yes, same.
Same path. Okay.
Server settings inside, path never change, development, quality, production, same screen, same thing.
But I
Okay.
don't understand how SAP knows. So there are 5 public holidays or 6 or 7. How it go? I don't know.
What I don't know. You are going to the client place, your user is provided.
So user will provide me these public holidays.
Yes, they will
I,
explain you.
I am working company Sony. Sony
Okay.
your requirement gathering, who will give the requirement gathering?
End user,
Now,
SAP
what
end user.
MM project, your SAP MM consultant. You are going to the today, Monday, going to the client place, Sahil Corporation, electronics industry. User MM users providing the information. Hi Sahil and Narendra, this is the my company have holidays. One point I'm
Okay.
asking to Sahil, you are going to the project place, how to handle the project preparation?
First start with requirement gathering the requirements from the end users.
Who is the end users? MM. Now, today start your project, correct?
Yeah.
This part is FI. Who will take care this one normally project place? Finance
Uh,
consultant.
Yes.
Today
Finance
onwards, this is
consultant.
your part. This
MM
is your
consultants.
your MM consultant, client place people call MM users. Maybe 5 users or 10 users, all that attend the meeting. Hi Sahil and Narendra. This my company have 6 holidays. Note down. Okay. Client wanted to 6 holidays. Tell me holidays names. Fine. I created here Christmas. Okay. Black Friday. National holiday. Like that. Correct?
So how you create that? Okay, so it's a Black Friday. How you create that Black Friday in SAP?
I will create it here. And Christmas created. Christmas created. Same thing you create Black Friday. 1 second. Okay. Leave it that point. Here Sahil Corporation created now. Go back. Go back. See here public holiday. Again I will show to you. Go to create button with the fixed date and date. Create. Maybe Tuesday, day 31 days. So religion is this is not a religion holidays. So that is the reason don't select any year. So SHA Sahil,
Okay. Just wait. Yeah, I got it. So that Tuesday is what? Tuesday is a public holiday, right?
that is today what Tuesday public either Tuesday or Thursday you need to select. Got my point?
No, but you selected Tuesday, so it means Tuesday should be a public holiday. That's what I was
Yes,
asking you.
yes. I'm saying
That's it.
yes.
That's it. That was my confusion. I didn't get that.
Don't
Because
confuse.
I asked you the same thing. You said Monday is the first day. It's a weekday. So I was like,
Hmm.
I don't know.
No. What are the holiday names you need to select? Either sometimes Thursday, sometimes maybe Wednesday. Got my point? I
Yeah,
will one by one I will create it. Got my point?
got it. It's just same like MS Project.
Hmm. So now got clear point? I created 2 holidays, Narendra.
Right.
Black Friday and Christmas. Fine. Maybe client will give the 6 holidays, you need to create the same process. Okay? Then second step, see here, holiday calendar. Select change button, create. What is the holiday? Maybe you need to give here. Asset. Sahil holiday calendar. 2019 previous year 2098 up to got my point. Your always
Okay.
financial will take previous year. To end of the year, you will take anything, 2030 or 40 or 50 or 60, whatever. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then SN holiday. What is it? ID already, SH already existed. Maybe SI. SI. SN holiday. What holidays you created?
We have to
Here,
choose, right?
Sahil Black Friday, Sahil Christmas. Select both holidays, assign public holiday. Coming here, maybe 10 holidays, you need to select 10 holidays. 2, 6 means 6, 2 means 2, 3 means 3, 4 means 4. Clear? What is the ID? Created. ID is yes, I note down very carefully. Yes, I save, enter, enter. Go back. Now, third one, factory calendar. Select, change button. Create. I'm going to give you any name. Name you can give any name. IS Sahil factory calendar. See here, coming to everything here. 2019 to 2098 or whatever. Holiday ID. What ID you created? Yes, I.
SI.
We need to give yes, I. See here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Suppose you are in Middle East Dubai project, suppose this Sahil Corporation. Maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Got my point?
Right.
Right now you're in US, Sahil US dollar currency. Select this one. Save. Enter. Enter. This is the way to create for factory calendar. Why you are created factory calendar? When you create the plant, we need to send to the factory calendar. That is the reason I created first factory calendar. Any SAP MM consultant, maybe it will take 2 days time, maybe 1 or 2 days. This requirement calendar creation. Suppose
Create this.
I'm asking straightforward. Factory calendar in US, India, how many days factory calendar?
5 days.
5 days. In the Middle East countries, 5 days.
5 days.
Days is changed. That is days is changed. India also same US. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday holiday. Friday working days. Now Narendra, something you asking to you?
Yeah, I was asking something, but
Asking to me. Now understand. Anybody ask factory calendar creation? How many types?
3 types.
three times.
Hmm. Public holidays, holiday calendar, factory calendar. Very, very important topic. Client place this will go for requirement gathering maybe 2 working days. 2 working days.
So it automatically, how we assign this to company? Okay, so we have to maintain this calendar
This
for a
one
company.
assigned to this one assigned to the plant. That is next step will come.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, got it.
The maintain calendar. Now enterprise
So my
structures
so my
and
question was, it at the project it takes 2 days to create this calendar.
I created here too. Maybe you are going to next month Apple project, maybe 6 holidays. You need to create 6 holidays.
No, that's fine. But does it take 2 days?
Hmm. I don't understand what are you saying.
2 days to create a calendar? No.
I created 2 days, sir, in this place. Project place client wanted to 5 days means you need to create 5 days. Eight
No,
days
no,
means
that's
eight.
fine. That we understand. My question is, if we are going to the project, does
Hmm.
it take to create this calendar 2 days or 3 days or just like couple of minutes?
Couple of
Two,
minutes, of course. He just did that.
2 working days, holidays.
Mhm.
What is the project place? What is the 2 days? I explain my Sahil Corporation. Today I am going to your project place. Requirement gathering, Sahil users providing to. This year I have only 2 days. I created example 2 days, but Sahil Corporation also maybe 4 days or 5 days. They will provide. I will create one by one holiday. I created 2 days
Oh, I
means.
see. I got it. Okay, we got it. We got it.
Hmm.
I got it.
Now, enterprise structure settings. First, second point, client place. Next day, you are going to the project place. You need to discuss to the users how many plants you have. How many plants you have. Client will tell, I have one plant, maybe two plants, three plants, four plants. What is the plant? Physical location of the factory called plant. What is that plant, Sahil?
Physical
Physical
location of the
location of the
plant.
factory.
Maybe Sahil Corporation users, I need one plant, fine. I need two plants, same thing you create. How to create plant? Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, definition, logistics general. See here. Valuation level. See here. Valuation level. See here. Valuation area is a plant. Valuation level is a company code. Valuation area is a plant. Default SAP selected. Okay. So I mentioned first point. Valuation area is valuation area is plant. Means what is the understanding? When you create plant name, anybody ask what is your valuation area means plant. Same name. Plant name, valuation area name, same name. Got my point?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing but plant name. Now, we are not configuring anything. Default selected. Go back. Second one, check plant. See here. This box will come. Define plant. Double click. This screen will come. See here. I am going to create new entries. My plant is name. Yes, yeah. Client will provide what is the name also. Sahil PL. SAPL. Somebody already is there. What will happen? Maybe SSPL. Not there. So Sahil plant. See here. What is the factory calendar? Coming?
SI.
Yes.
IS factory calendar. Yes. I'm going to select here IS. IS Sahil factory. Save. Don't give country code, don't city code. They asking address, that time we need to give. Save. This screen will come. System asking where it is located, plant address. So I mentioned here description Sahil plant. Maybe street, some location, King Street. King Street. House number, plant number, where it is located, plant. Postal code. Tell me something. I think I forgot it. What is the postal code?
M9G.
M1G.
Hmm.
M1G. 3S7.
Got the 3SL.
F7.
3?
F7.
S7.
F7.
S7.
Toronto. Toronto. Country, Canada. Post
Mira,
box.
I have a question.
No, first fill this one. Then you can ask. First fill this one. Post box, postal code. First field, you can ask. Telephone number, mobile number, fax number, email. Who will sitting the plant place email? Maybe Raz at the rate of sahil.com. Username, address, mail ID. Tell me now, what is your question?
So my question was, we created that company Sahil LLC Corporation, and now Sahil Plant. What is the difference? What is that? It's the
That
same
is
company,
FY. That is FY. This is MM settings. That is FY. This is MM settings.
but it's the same company, right? We are talking about same company, right?
Same company code. Same company code. Company always one. We are creating Sahil company code under plant. Sahil plant. Company code is created FI consultant. Plant will created MM consultant.
Oh,
Because at the
okay.
end of the project, Sahil, MM will connect to the FI, SD will connect to the FI, and all
No,
will
no, no.
be
First,
interlinked.
first I'm explaining enterprise structure. Don't ask what is the next because when you ask the question next link. First today's session explain you can understand totally. Okay?
It's
Because
kind
once
of
you are that
confusing.
one
It's kind of
the company.
confusing for me.
No. Once create the plant. How to create plant? Understand?
Yeah, I got it.
But this plant is assigned to company code. After that,
Yes.
what company
Okay.
code you created? That company code we need to assign. That is the link. So now save. What is the next step, Narendra?
Create that
Create.
request.
Hmm. Create description. Create plant. Create plant. Save.
So now you are going to grab the same company code, right? Which we did from FI.
I, I told you na, that company code only plant also. Maybe I created here one plant. Maybe your client wanted to three plants. You need to create three plants. Two plants, two. Four means four. Five means five. Based on your client requirement. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Very clear.
So, so Veera, when we creating a 5 plants, are
Hmm.
we going to get a 5 this one TRN or only one TRN?
One TRN. One TRN.
One TRN. But we
Hmm.
will mention over here in the plant name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
how do you go back? Go back again. Go to plant creation. SSP1, SSP2. When you transport request, the same transport request number you need to save. Okay. So you want to check your plant SSP automatically will come here. You can double click here. This is the
Veera, would you mind to create 2 plants? So
no
we
no 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 confused. First practice one plan. Then after that practice you need to create two plans like that because so many assignments will happen. Okay,
okay.
first practice time one plant only. Any one company got one plant. After that, once practice over, you create two or three, whatever. After that, three or four, whatever. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one by one learn. Don't confuse otherwise. So my plant is created. Fine. Location. Second step. Define location. What is the location? Sahil Corporation, Electronics Corporation. Maybe we have mobiles manufacturing, laptops manufacturing, LEDs lab manufacturing. So how to create? Go to new entries, plant. What is your plant?
SSPL.
My location is PRO, standard production location. Okay,
Okay.
there. System asking address where it is located in. My plant is located location, Sahil location. Maybe street, King Street. Plant and location same place. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
House number 123 and what is that? Because years means I know Canada means always
M9.
M9, M9,
What was
yes,
that?
M1G3S7.
M1, MI, M1G 317.
3F.
3S7.
M1G3 F7.
Yeah.
As for Sahil,
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Nothing to worry about.
No, whatever.
yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah.
Toronto, country US, post box.
Not US. It's Canada.
Can I? Veera, come on.
Maybe he doesn't have a coffee today.
Yeah,
Did you-
I feel so.
Because 95% of US people only. So clear. These are all information who will give? Narendra?
Client.
MM end users.
Hmm.
SAP and users.
MM, SAP, MM end users. When will give?
Yeah.
At the time of requirement gathering.
Yes, fine. Now very clear point, correct?
Yeah.
What is the next step, Sahil?
Create a request.
Define location. Save. Control C. Have you observed when you transport request number created alternative number generated, correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
I just noted that. I was about to ask this thing.
Why you are not asking to me?
No, I just did my assignment. I did
That-
one company.
that
I
is,
created
that is
one company and did all the 14, 15 transactions for
because
F5.
a consultant will setting the things, basis consultant. Alternative number generated. When you the settings to the financial, when you settings to the basis things, that time you will have server setup time. They will put it in some code number, automatically generated two only. But project place also same. Yes, project place also same.
Okay.
Okay, what is the meaning of the location?
Like physical location where the factory is.
Physical location of the factory is planned. I'm asking to you location. What is the meaning of the location? Where we will do the manufacturing product in the planned place, that is called production location. Fine, planned. So now I'm asking to one question, Sahil. What is your valuation level name?
Sorry, what is your?
Valuation level name.
SSPL?
Because valuation area is nothing but planned, correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
That is SSPL. Anybody ask? Valuation level is nothing but plant name. My level done, plan done, location done. Now divisions.
Can you
Defined what?
explain this thing again? Valuation is planned, right?
That's all. Simple. There is no confusion. Not straightforward. Valuation level is nothing but plant. We are not creating any valuation level. Once you create plant, what is the valuation level name? SSPL.
SSPL.
Okay. Divisions. You need to ask to the client how many divisions we have. Yes, maybe we have two, we have three, we have four. Maybe example I'm created two. Put new entries. Maybe S9, S8. Maybe mobiles division and LED.
LED TV.
The client will provide 4433 to do. Names also client will provide it. Save. S8 already is there. Maybe S7 I'm going to take. S7. S7 also. S5. S5 not there. S9, S5. Create request. Because somebody's practice, somebody's take the names. That means. Now understand, Sahil, this is your module. Easily understand manufacturing.
Yeah.
Finance means terminology different. But that is also not tough. I give a spoon feeding document. S9, S5. Carefully, any creation you need to mention compulsory. Otherwise, wrongly assigned assignment.
S5. You put wrong.
S9 and S5.
Yeah. Maybe Veera is testing us, right?
Because you learn something. I put wrong, you learn something.
Mm-hmm.
That is called smartness answer, correct?
Could be.
No, no, client place, that is the handle to smart. You don't know what is that, what happened. We'll let you know. Yes, 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 he's there. He will let you know. He will learn something meanwhile. That's all.
That
Smartness, narrator.
meanwhile we'll figure out, right? Do
Yes, yes. Everything
yeah.
available, everything possible, everything. Your best friend is not Vera. Best friend is Google. You will get Google everything. Google is
Okay.
best
So
friend. Any doubt,
so
na,
do,
first, don't ask anybody. First, go to give Google. You will get something. Click. You will read first. Okay, some idea, some path you will get, some idea. Like that you
okay.
can. So, my calendar created, my value.
So just wait. So in a nutshell, what is this? As we are creating, we just created a plant. So the location is what type of production we are doing, and the
Hmm.
vision is what kind of products we are producing, right?
But the
Got it.
location, production location, na, sometimes client will have a storage location also. You need to create storage location also. I
Oh,
can
okay.
create one production location. Maybe client will tell I have to. You need to create
Wi-
two. I
To
told,
storage location, warehouse. There should be a warehouse or something like
no, no,
that,
no,
right?
that is different. Don't go to that way. That is different. Don't go that way. Warehouse will come in picture, later picture. First, when you create the location, mobiles manufacturing, production location, production once done, you need to store it in material, some storage location. Correct?
Yeah.
So client will provide it, how many locations, how many divisions. I created two. Two is not a standard. Maybe client you have LED division, mobiles division, maybe some monitors division, different.
So there can be three locations, no? First is raw material storage location. Second is the
That is
production,
great. That is
and the
that,
third.
no, no,
No?
that is different. That is different. Don't go, please advance. That is will come to the picture. This is the productions related things.
Okay, okay, got it.
That is different. That will come. That will come.